New to Spotify and want to learn how to use it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and this video will be our beginner's guide to Spotify, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the Spotify app. Now let's get started. Note that in this video, we're using a Spotify premium account. You can use Spotify completely for free if you like, but a free account will come with ads, and you can only listen in shuffle mode. Get Spotify Premium to do away with ads, be able to turn off shuffle mode, and have the ability to save music and podcasts to listen offline, and more. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start using Spotify. This is what the app's homepage looks like. Here, you'll be able to browse a selection of playlists, new albums, moods, and podcasts Spotify thinks you'll like based on what's popular right now and what you've already listened to. The more you use the app, the better Spotify will get at suggesting music and podcasts for you. If you see something that interests you and you want to listen to it, tap a playlist, album, or podcast to check it out and listen to it if you like. If you want to browse music by genre, mood, decade, or theme, tap Search in the bottom menu. Then select a category you'd like to explore. When you find an album or playlist you want to listen to, tap Play at the top to start listening to it. Keep in mind that if you have a free Spotify account, you'll only be able to listen to playlists and albums on shuffle mode. If you have a paid membership, you can listen to any song on Spotify at any time. If there's a specific artist, album, or song you want to hear, tap Search. Then type in what you want to listen to. When you find what you're looking for in the search results, tap it to start playing it. When playing music, tap the name of the song you're listening to at the bottom of your screen to open a larger playback window. Here you'll find options to play, pause, skip to the next song, and go back to the previous song. You can also turn shuffle on and off if you have a premium account. If you really like a song and want to add it to your library of favorites, tap the plus sign. To access all the songs you've added to your library, tap Your Library at the bottom. Then you can check out your saved playlists, podcasts, albums, and artists. If you want to have an album, playlist, or podcast episode available to listen offline, tap the downwards arrow to save it for offline listening. This way, if you later don't have an internet connection, you'll still be able to listen to your favorite tracks. To make your own playlist, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of your library. Then select Playlist. Type in what you'd like to call your playlist. Then tap Create. Then tap Add to this playlist. Search for a song you want to add to your playlist, then tap the plus sign beside it to add it to your playlist. Another cool feature of the app is Spotify Radio. This feature picks music for you based on an artist, album, or song you like. You can access radio by tapping the three dots beside a song title, album name, or artist name. Then select Go to Radio. A newer feature Spotify recently released is called DJ. This is an AI-based feature that selects music just for you based on your listening history and preferences. To use this feature, search DJ and tap the first result. The Spotify DJ will then get started playing tracks picked just for you.
Hey, welcome in. You're here with your DJ X. I know what you listen to. I see SZA there. So I'm going to be here every day, playing those artists you got in rotation, going back into your history for songs you used to love, and I'm always on the lookout for new stuff too.
If a song comes up that you don't like, you can skip ahead to the next song. You can also tap the DJ icon in the bottom right corner to have the DJ switch things up for you.
Okay, changing it up. Let's hear from Spotify's most popular playlist, today's top hits.
If you want to check out what your friends or favorite influencers are listening to, following other Spotify users is a great way to discover new music. Type in the name of the user you want to follow in the search bar. When they appear in the search results, tap their name. Then tap the follow button. When this person makes a new playlist or updates one of their existing ones, it should pop up on your Spotify homepage. That does it for our beginner's guide to Spotify. To learn more about specific features and get tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Spotify tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.